Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Early 20th century American truck manufacturers, shaping the future of transport. The early 20th century was a time of incredible change in America. As cities grew and industries flourished, the need for reliable transportation became undeniable. Horse-drawn carriages, once the backbone of local deliveries, couldn't keep up with the demands of a booming economy. Enter the motorized truck, a new invention that promised faster, more efficient ways to move goods. American manufacturers quickly saw the potential in this market and began designing trucks that would redefine transportation. These early innovators didn't just build vehicles, they shaped industries, connecting factories, farms, and businesses like never before. Their contributions laid the foundation for the modern trucking industry we rely on today. The genesis of the American truck industry. The early 20th century marked a remarkable period for the American truck industry. Key technological advancements shifted the landscape of transportation, laying the groundwork for the manufacturers poised to take advantage of this growing market. Understanding these changes provides insight into how early truck builders became essential to economic development and mobility. Technological innovations fueling growth. Technological breakthroughs were at the heart of the truck industry's rise. The introduction of the internal combustion engine was nothing short of revolutionary. This engine provided a reliable and powerful alternative to steam and horse-drawn vehicles, enabling trucks to handle heavier loads and traverse greater distances. In addition to this, advancements in chassis designs improved durability and efficiency, allowing trucks to navigate tough terrains and urban landscapes without issue. Another essential innovation was the development of pneumatic tires. Traditional solid rubber tires limited comfort and speed, especially on uneven roads. Pneumatic tires changed that by offering better traction and a smoother ride, which gave early truck manufacturers a competitive edge. Altogether, these technological innovations propelled the industry, making motorized trucks a practical choice for businesses looking to optimize delivery and logistical operations. Role of the World Wars in truck manufacturing. The World Wars played a significant role in shaping the truck manufacturing landscape in America. During World War I, the demand for reliable motorized transport surged. Military operations required efficient logistics, paving the way for commercial truck manufacturers to pivot their production lines to meet military needs. This shift spurred innovations and led to advancements in production methods, as manufacturers learned to produce vehicles faster while maintaining quality. World War II saw an even greater need for trucks. The military needed a vast array of vehicles for transporting troops and supplies. In response, manufacturers ramped up operations, often introducing assembly line techniques that would redefine not just truck manufacturing but modern industrial practices. After the war, these innovations didn't just disappear, they flowed into the civilian market, flooding roads with new and improved trucks that continued to reshape American commerce. Through these wartime challenges, truck manufacturers not only proved their reliability but also solidified their place as integral players in the economy. The experience gained and technologies developed during this time set the stage for a booming post-war trucking industry, forever changing how goods moved across the nation. Pioneering truck manufacturers and their contributions. In the early 20th century, several manufacturers emerged as leaders in the truck industry. Each played a significant role in shaping the way goods were transported, contributing unique innovations and designs that still influence trucking today. Let's look at a few of these pioneering companies and their lasting impact. Mack Trucks, from wagons to heavy-duty haulers. Mack Trucks traces its roots back to 1900 when it began as a maker of horse-drawn wagons. As the industry evolved into motorized vehicles, Mack was quick to adapt. By 1907, they produced their first gas-powered truck, which marked a turning point for the company. Their early models were designed with durability in mind, making them favorites among businesses that required reliable transport. Mack became known for their heavy-duty haulers, which continued to stand the test of time. Their signature bulldog logo became a symbol of strength and reliability in the trucking community. This reputation for quality helped Mack Trucks establish a loyal customer base, setting the stage for their expansion into the heavy-duty market. Even today, the heavy trucks they build are recognized for their longevity and performance, showcasing a legacy that began over a century ago. GMC, building a legacy of dependability. General Motors, GMC, ventured into the truck market early on. In 1911, GMC produced its first commercial truck, the GMC Model 100. This initial offering was a game-changer. It showcased the company's commitment to high standards. By focusing on quality and dependability, GMC quickly earned a solid reputation within the industry. As the years went on, GMC continued to innovate. They introduced several advancements, including the adoption of the cabin-over-engine design, which offered better visibility and maneuverability. By the time World War II came around, GMC trucks were essential for military logistics, further solidifying their status as dependable workhorses. The brand's focus on creating sturdy, reliable vehicles has helped it thrive, leaving an indelible mark on the trucking sector. White Motor Company, innovators of commercial transport. The White Motor Company played a crucial role in early truck manufacturing. Founded in 1900 in Cleveland, Ohio, they prioritized quality and functional design in their vehicles. Their early models were geared towards commercial use and offered features that appealed to businesses needing utility and performance. In the 1920s, White introduced innovative designs such as streamlined bodies and heavier payload capacities. Their commitment to durability gained them respect in the market. Over the years, the White Motor Company contributed even more through various truck models tailored to specific industries, providing essential solutions for automotive transport needs. Their legacy continues, showcasing a major influence in the commercial transport landscape. Autocar, a leader in specialized trucks. Autocar distinguished itself by producing specialized trucks designed for specific industries. Founded in 1897, Autocar became one of the first companies to focus on creating vehicles tailored for particular work needs. Early heavy-duty vehicles like their trucks for the logging and construction industries showcased their commitment to customization and innovation. Autocar pushed engineering boundaries, prioritizing strength and functionality. Their designs often included features that catered to various tasks, such as reinforced frames for tough terrains. This focus on specialization positioned Autocar as a leader in niche markets, resonating with businesses needing specific capabilities in their trucks. The company's legacy of producing effective work-specific vehicles remains significant in the industry's evolution. Understanding the roles these pioneering truck manufacturers played helps shine a light on how the American truck industry developed. Each contributed their unique advancements and strategies, driving the market and ensuring the growth of efficient transport solutions in a rapidly changing economy. That's it for Part 1. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll explore more about the evolution of truck manufacturing. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.